Hello friends, myself Onoy Paul. I am a student of BTech third semester of Barak Valley Engineering College, Karimganj in the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. Today I am going to teach you trigonometric identity. So let us know the definition. So an equation involving trigonometric ratios of an angle is called a trigonometric identity if it is true for all values of the angle. Okay, we should know the following formulas, that sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 plus of tan square theta equal to sec square theta, 1 plus of cot square theta equal to cosec square theta, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta, and the product of tan theta and cot theta is 1. Properly remember these formulas because we require in solving any problems. So please note down what I have given. Now let us solve numericals. The question states that prove that 1 minus of sine square theta into sec square theta is equal to 1. We have to prove that 1 minus of sine square theta into sec square theta equal to 1. We have to prove, means we have to show that LHS is equal to RHS. For this, at first you write proof. Now write LHS, left hand side, equal to 1 minus of sine square theta into sec square theta. From the formula, we came to know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus of sine square theta. 1 minus of sine square theta, 1 minus of sine square theta, which is cos square theta. Cos square theta into sec square theta. We know the value of cos theta is 1 by sec theta. So put it here. It will be 1 by sec square theta into sec square theta. These and these will get cut. We will get result 1, which is RHS. Then write, therefore LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay, please write down the answer. Now let us move to the next question. The question states that 1 plus of tan square theta into 1 minus of sine theta into 1 plus of sine theta is equal to 1. Let me see. 1 plus of tan square theta into 1 minus of sine theta into 1 plus of sine theta is equal to 1. Again, we have to prove it. We will write here proof. Left hand side, see, 1 plus of tan square theta into 1 minus of sine theta into 1 plus of sine theta. According to the formulas which we have studied, we came that 1 plus of tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So 1 plus of tan square theta will be sec square theta. And properly see this part, we can see that it is a minus b, a plus b. So this can be written as, we know, a plus b into a minus b formula, according to which we know it is a square minus of b square. So write it here as a square minus of b square sec square theta. 1 minute. Okay. Again write 1 minus of sine square theta. So we know that the value of 1 minus of sine square theta, we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore cos square theta is 1 minus of sine square theta. We know this formula. So 1 minus of sine square theta will be what? 1 minus of sine square theta will be cos square theta sec square theta into cos square theta. So we also know that sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So it will be 1 by cos square theta into cos square theta. This and this will get cut. We will get 1, which is our RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Please write down the solution. Now after that we will go to the next question. The question states that cos theta divided by 1 minus of tan theta plus sin theta divided by 1 minus of cot theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta. Now for solving this question, again we will write here proof. See, LHS left hand side, you have to prove this part is equal to this part. It is cos theta, it is 1 minus of tan theta plus sin theta cot theta. Properly analyze the question, then we can see that there is tan theta and cot theta. Okay, so how to convert tan theta and cot theta? We know that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta and cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Now write here cos theta divided by 1 minus tan theta as sin theta by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta as cos theta by sin theta. cos theta by sin theta. Now we have to take LCM. 1 minute. Now take the LCM. Sin theta plus take the LCM. Now properly look at this part, these things. You can see that cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. So it can be written as cos squared theta divided by cos theta minus of sin theta, and this can be written as sin squared theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta. Now we properly look that this is cos theta minus sin theta, this is sin theta minus cos theta. To make this part and this part equal, we will take a common from here. We will take a common from here. See, take a common of minus 1. It will be minus of sin theta. It will be plus of cos theta. Properly analyze, if we multiply minus 1 into this sin theta and minus 1 into this minus of cos theta. Now write this part as cos squared theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta minus sin squared theta. This part can be written as cos theta minus sin theta. This minus 1 is multiplied with this, then we get minus 1. Then sin square theta cos theta minus sin theta. Now take this equation here, take LCM. It will be cos theta minus of sin theta. Okay, after that will be cos square theta minus of sin square theta. Now look, it is consider it as a, it is b, a square minus b square, it will be a plus of b into a minus of b cut this and this, we get cos theta plus sin theta, which is equal to our RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Now let us go to one more numerical. the question states that prove that root under 1 plus of sin theta divided by 1 minus of sin theta plus root under 1 minus of sin theta plus of sin theta is equal to 2 sec theta. 2 sec theta. For solving this question, again we will write proof. So LHS inside is 1 plus of sin theta and minus of sin theta plus of sin theta. Now take conjugate, means 1 plus of sin theta divided by 1 minus of sin theta. Now rationalize it. It will be 1 plus of sin theta. It will be 1 plus of sin theta rationalize it. 1 minus sin theta now properly observe the question. It will be a plus b into a plus b. It will be a plus of b whole square, and it is a plus b into a minus b. It will be a square minus of a square. Similarly, this is a minus b into a minus b. It will be a minus of b whole square divided by it will be a plus of b into a minus of b. It will be a square minus of b square. From previous formulas we came to know that this part you keep it same, and the value of 1 minus of sin square theta is cos square theta. It will be same, and the value of 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. As we have learned the formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore cos square theta 1 minus of sin square theta. So I am writing here this and this. Now this 2 will cut with this, and we will get 1 by 1 plus of sin theta divided by cos theta 1 minus of sin theta cos theta. Now I am writing here, take the LCM. It will be cos theta, upper part will be 1 plus of sin theta plus 1 minus of sin theta. This and this will get cancelled. 2 by cos theta, and the value of cos theta 2 into 1 by cos theta or 2 by cos theta, it is 2 sec theta, which is our RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS Okay, please note it down. Thank you.